Welcome back friends with another interesting topic for the programmers. Chapter number 6, math expression, unfamiliar operators. Chapter 4, we studied familiar operators. What are familiar operators? Plus, minus, multiply and divide. And what are unfamiliar operators? We are gonna study in this chapter. So don't forget to subscribe friends. Before proceeding further, now let's move. So first thing is modulus operator, and we can also call it a mod operator. Why we are using whenever we are dividing two variables and we are having a remainder at the end. So to resolve that issue we are using mod operator. Okay, I'm going to explain it to you with example as well, don't worry. This operator plus and equals to, it's not plus or equals to, it's basically increment operator, like age equals to age plus 1, and if I want to 2 in age means that age is equals to age plus 2, so I can use this increment operator. And this minus 2 is for decrement operator. It's also a multiplication operator. If you want to multiply the value with 3, like if I am having a age equals to 2 and I want to multiply the 12 with 3, so we can get the result. Don't worry, I'm going to explain that with example as well. Now the chapters are by the way very small, and let's move towards the practice session. Let's rename it unfamiliar operator. Okay, so and 1 equals to 9 and 2 equals to 2. Okay, not 3, 2. And then 3 equals to, first I want to divide, then I want to make it more clear to you. Okay, let's print and 3 and let's check what is the result. 4.5. See friends, it's not complete divisible, right? Now let's, if I use the same statement with modulus operator. Okay, now let's check what is the output. Okay, I just changed the variable from division to modulus. Now let's run. It's 1. Friends, you can see the difference. Here the output was floating point. In order to reduce that floating or decimal point in our value, we are using modulus operator. Okay, another thing was increment. Okay friends, now another example, age equals to 12 and age steric equals 2. Now let's print age and let's check the output. Let's run. You can see 12 4s are 24 and we got the output in 24. Age equals to 12, age increment equals to 2, or we can add 10. And let's print age and check the output, 22. Okay friends, I hope it's very clear to you people. I've tried my best to explain this to you, and again I'm saying that don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that my every video will reach to you. And thank you for watching.